Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today, we will be featuring this crested Senecio vitalis, or commonly known as the mermaid's tail. So sa ngayon, something is wrong with our mermaid's tail kasi as you can see, talagang dehydrated yung kanyang leaves even if na I regularly water it. Talagang walang nangyayari, talagang dehydrated pa rin yung kanyang pinaka-leaves. And so, pag ganito na nga yung nangyari sa inyong mga succulents na even if you water them regularly and hindi pa rin na-hydrate yung kanilang leaves, possibly na may something is wrong sa kanilang roots or sa kanilang pinaka-stem. And yun nga yung gusto kong malaman today. Sa ngayon kasi, I already see some changes sa stem nitong ating mermaid's tail and mukhang nabulok na nga yung stem niya and possibly pati yung kanyang roots. So pag sira na yung kanyang roots, syempre hindi niya na ma-absorb yung water, kaya yun nga, hindi na-hydrate yung mga leaves ng ating mga succulent. So I got the succulent last year. Maliit lang siya, then nirepat ko siya agad, and in just a couple of months talagang nag-double or nag-triple yung size niya. But then after that one, nilagay ko siya sa rain or shine area, and dun na nga nagsimula yung parang changes sa kanya. And fast forward, ganito na nga, parang namamatay na yung ating mermaid's tail. And I guess I have to save itong mga nasa taas na part kasi healthy pa naman yung nasa taas na part. It's like we just have to propagate them through stem cuttings. So sa ngayon, let's try to check yung kanyang roots. And ayan, walang kahirap-hirap, talagang upon uprooting, we can see na talagang wala. I think the roots are already dead. So yun nga, that explains why talagang wala ng nutrients and water na na-absorb itong ating mga leaves sa taas. Ayan, so talagang sira na siya. Ayan, I cannot even see any new root growth, and probably itong stem na rin natin is sira siya sa loob. So sometimes kasi sa labas parang okay pa, diba? Pero the only time we can see na may problem na pala sa loob ng stem is when we cut it. So usually pag ganun nawala yung roots niya, possibly na may mga pest dito sa ilalim, yung mga pest na kumakain ng mga roots. Pero upon checking, wala naman akong nakita. So possibly ang cause nung pagkabulok ng ating succulent is because of overwatering.